Sisesigabeni sesithathu se-lockdown, akukho kuphumula emaphoyiseni. Sekuboshwe abantu abangaphezulu kuka-200,000 ngokwephula umthetho we-COVID-19. Njengoba isifundazwe iGauteng sekuyiso esihamba phambili ngesibalo sabantu abahaqwe leli gciwane, ungqongqoshe unxuse amaphoyisa ukuba aqaphele.
This global health crisis has turned the world upside down, and you as members have not been cushioned from the impact. So we have a responsibility as a leadership to see that you are also safe as you try to save other lives.
Kunokukhathazeka ke ngodlame olwayamaniswa nobulili oluqhubekayo kuleli zwe.
As the president has called it as a second pandemic, it is important that people that go to police stations, especially the victims of gender violence, must be treated accordingly with respect. Don't send them to go and negotiate. It's not our job. Our job is to arrest those people that perpetrate violence against women and children.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubonge amaphoyisa ngomsebenzi omuhle awenzayo wacela ukuba aphephe.